Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shella. So in today's video, I have another new bag that I'm going to unbox, and it is a Coach. By the way guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you will be updated every time I will post a new video. So okay guys, today I'm going to unbox my new bag collection. So this is the Coach. This is the Coach Rowan. So let's unwrap her. I'm so excited to see her. So I got her for very good deal price on the website coachoutlet.com. So we will see the beauty of this Coach Rowan bag. I'm so excited to see her. Oh, look at that. She is so beautiful. And everything is wrapped. So everything of this bag is wrapped. The handle, the long strap. So let's do first this long strap. I'm going to unwrap her. So okay guys, everything is unwrapped, and this is the Coach Rowan. It's such a beautiful bag. The color is black, and I choose to get the gold hardware, and because I always love a gold hardware for my bag. So this is how she looks like. It is so pretty, and look at around. So this one is a cross grain leather, and the original price of this was $300. So the original price of this was $328. So I only got this one for very good deal price. And let's see inside of this bag. I'm going to take off all this stuffing paper so we can see how big it is inside of this bag. So she doesn't have a dust bag. So inside, this is how she looks like. And it has a pocket here with a zipper, and it's really wide, and it has this care card. And then there is another pocket here in the other side which doesn't have a zipper right here. It is such a beautiful bag. I love to carry this type of bag. It is not really big. It is perfect for everyday use, and it has this front pocket here with zipper, and you can put anything you want in here, maybe your key or your phone. So yeah, and it has this leather charm here. I think I can just take this off, but I will just leave that one there. So in the bottom, it has 4 feet to protect her base. It is very decent size for small bag and perfect for everyday use. So let's see of this strap. So the strap, okay, so the strap has extra 3 hole to adjust the length of the bag, to adjust the length of the strap. And And it is very easy to attach here in the side. And this is how she looks like. She is so gorgeous type of bag with black color and gold combination hardware. I love it. I love it. I love this bag. I'm so excited to wear this today. And I choose to get the black because it will match any outfit, especially on winter. It is very perfect to wear black purses because you are safe, like if it's snowing or raining. So yeah, this won't stain. So okay guys, and that's all for today. So I hope you like this unboxing video of this Coach Rowan. If you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification button so you will be notified every time I will post a new video. I will see you soon again guys on my next video. Bye for now.